Hi everybody, welcome back. It is that time of the month once again to unbox Sephora Play. If you're unfamiliar with Sephora Play, it is a $10 a month subscription service. It's brought to you from Sephora. All of the items that are in the box you can find at Sephora stores, readily available. There are no affiliate links for Sephora, but I will leave a link for you down below that will take you straight to the Play page so that if you want to sign up for this, you can too. You're going to receive 5 items in your kit plus a bonus item each month. Sometimes it's a foil packet, sometimes it's a perfume sample, so really, you're getting 6 items. But without further ado, let's get into this. So when you get your box, you're going to open it up like this and stuff's going to fall out at you. Usually it doesn't. On the inside, it's just going to say this here, which, tells you to go to sephoraplay.com, blah, blah, blah. Right on top, this is going to be your play book. This is going to give you all kinds of tips and tricks and insiders on the products, as well as have a list of all of the products that came to you that month, plus tips and tricks on how to use those. Right here on the top is going to be your little play pass. When you take this into Sephora stores and you make a purchase, you show them this little play pass, you'll receive an additional 50 bonus points towards your account. And then down here is going to be our cute little bag, and I already got a cute little glimpse of it, and it is cute. Look at this. It's a little canvas bag with pink string, and on the front it says back to beauty school. So I'm going to dump the contents out here. We're going to set the bag off to the side, open up the play book so we can see what's in. There are cute little puns that they include, which I feel I'm obligated to read to you. So first thing I'm looking for is a perfume sample, and I don't see one. I'm thinking Sephora has been watching my videos and know how I feel about perfume, and they have not sent me a perfume sample in a couple months. I'm so thankful for that because I am not a fan of perfumes at all. I have 2 cents, that's it. What they did add though was a foil pack that I can't use. I will pass this on to somebody because I know this is a really good hair product. I think they just might have made a mistake sending me this one. Anyway, this month's bonus is the Amika Bust Your Brass. This is Cool Blonde shampoo and conditioner. So this is for people who have blonde hair. The shampoo and conditioner might still be just fine. I mean, I might just try it, but it is made for people with blonde hair to cut down on the brassiness. This month's bonus, On the Bright Track. Amika Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo and Conditioner, a shampoo and conditioning duo that counteracts brassy tones for bright, shiny hair. Okay, so the next item I'm picking up, and it's from Origins. This is the Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. Clay by the rules. Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay, a purifying mask that deeply cleans and refines pores for silky smooth skin. And the next thing I'm pulling up, who are you from? Oh, this is from Grande Lips. This is the Hydrating Lip Plumper in Clear. And I have had this before and I've used it before. Not the hugest fan of this one, so I'll probably definitely be passing this one along. But it's still a very nice product. I don't like it. I don't like my lips to tingle. That's what it is. Full ride to full lips. Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper in Clear, a hydrating colorless lip plumper that visibly smooths and defines instantly and over time. This is Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray. Ooh. Finish top of the class. Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray. A finishing texture spray that delivers voluminous, undone looks that last all day. So next up, one of my favorite little things, but this is a treat yourself item because there's a lot of drugstore products that are really close to being good, but they're not this. I'm telling you, they just really aren't. Anyway, it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. It's like hairspray for your eyebrows. I swear to God, this stuff is pretty stinking amazing. Arch Ever. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel, a lightweight gel that defines brows and holds them in place all day. And our last item in here, this is from Makeup Forever. It's one of the Artist Rouge lipsticks. Read your lips. Make It Forever Artist Rouge Lipstick in C211. A highly pigmented lipstick in a soft rosewood shade with a smooth satin finish. And so that's it. That is everything that came in Play by Sephora this month. It's not an over-the-moon box for me, just because there's a couple of items in here that I know I'm not going to use. Like, I really don't kind of know what they were thinking sending me a blonde one when I've clearly put in the survey I have brunette hair. So this is kind of a want. Doesn't mean I won't try the shampoo and conditioner now that I think about it, because it might be really good shampoo and conditioner. You never know. And the Grande lips, and that's only because that's a personal preference thing, that I don't like plumpers because I don't like a tingling feeling on my lip. Everything else in the box though, it definitely made up for those two little things I'm not going to use. I do love a texture spray, and so I'm really excited to give this one a try. This is a me shade. I'm never mad when I get a lipstick. I don't care what color it comes in. The Origins mask, I love Origins. It's one of my favorite skincare companies, so always love to try something out from them. And a little hairspray for my eyebrows. Yes, thank you, please, and more. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And of course, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.